Get ready to redefine your adventure with the all-new 2024 Tacoma. Carefully reimagined from the ground up, this iconic beast not only retains its legendary status, but emerges with greater power, versatility, and a deeper connection to your driving experience. Whether you're conquering rugged terrain on an overland journey or unleashing an impressive rooster tail in the dunes, there's a Tacoma perfectly tailored to your needs, ready to push your limits. The 2024 Tacoma's advanced iForce Max hybrid powertrain propels you with an astounding 326 net combined horsepower and 465 lb-ft of low-end torque at just 1,700 revolutions per minute. Thanks to its innovative design with an electric motor perfectly positioned between a 2.4L turbocharged engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission, you'll enjoy instant torque whether you're climbing tough trails or sloppy merging onto the highway. Get ready for a driving experience like no other. With a nearly 3-decade legacy of conquering the planet's most formidable landscapes, the 2024 Tacoma name is an undisputed symbol of off-road supremacy. But we have taken perfection to new heights. Featuring a host of trail-oriented innovations, including a flexible multi-link rear suspension, a game-changing stabilizer disconnect mechanism, and an advanced multi-terrain option with traction control, we've sculpted the most formidable Tacoma ready to tackle, untamed. Every inch of the TRD Pro exudes perfection, from the commanding 18-in TRD Pro alloy wheels to the rugged 33-in Goodyear Territory RT tires. With its distinct tailgate embossing and the iconic heritage front grille, the TRD Pro leaves no stone unturned when it comes to extraordinary detail. In the realm of the trail hunter, adventure knows no bounds. Embrace the untamed with the exceptional Old Man Emu shock absorbers, the purpose-built 33-in Goodyear Territory RT tires, and fortified underbody protection featuring frame-mounted rock rails. These enhancements are engineered to elevate capability and bolster your confidence to unparalleled heights, making every journey an epic conquest. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Step into the thrilling world of the all-new Tacoma TRD Pro, where the evolution of Toyota's off-road racing prowess is on full display. Unleashing a mighty 326 net combined horsepower and a ground-shaking 465 lb-ft of torque, this truck is a pure embodiment of speed. Embrace the frontier with the industry-first isodynamic performance seats and customizable Fox QS 3 internal bypass shocks, elevating the Tacoma TRD Pro to the realm of the ultimate dirt dominator. Precision engineered to keep you securely ensconced and in command as you defy gravity, these seats feature state-of-the-art upper and lower pressure gauges, expertly absorbing every terrain imperfection. We dare say they'd earn the approval of Iron Man himself. And for the ultimate in comfort, the Tacoma TRD Pro also offers the luxury of heated and cooled front seats. Speaking of seats, the TRD Pro's isodynamic seating boasts an air-over-oil system, meticulously designed to masterfully control body motion even on the most unforgiving terrains. Get ready to experience off-road supremacy at its finest. The 2024 Tacoma boasts a range of captivating infotainment options to cater to every taste and preference. For most Tacomas, a generously sized 8.0-inch touchscreen serves as the standard infotainment system, providing an intuitive interface that effortlessly integrates with your daily journeys. For those with an appetite for more, the limited model elevates your experience with a grand 14.0-inch touchscreen, which also takes center stage in the Trail Hunter and TRD Pro trims, offering an expansive canvas for your infotainment needs. What's more, regardless of the model you choose, you'll revel in the convenience of standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, seamlessly connecting your smartphone to your Tacoma. And for those who appreciate the finer things in life, the option to equip your Tacoma with a wireless charging pad or a premium JBL audio system awaits, with a delightful twist. The JBL system even includes a detachable Bluetooth speaker that sits atop the dashboard, bringing music and connectivity wherever your adventures take you. With a simple touch of a button on the key fob or a convenient switch placed near either taillight, the Tacoma's power tailgate effortlessly springs to life, giving you the power to open or close it from both within the vehicle or outside with unparalleled ease. Embrace the future with the 2024 Tacoma, where a wealth of cutting-edge driver assistance features come standard, including the brilliance of automatic high beams. For those who seek an extra layer of confidence, the optional blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert systems await, ready to elevate your driving experience. The inaugural Tacoma Trailhunter, a testament to toughness, ruggedness, and an introducing unwavering commitment to exploration. Crafted from the ground up, it's your ultimate partner for embarking on any adventure your imagination can conceive. Standard equipped with integrated off-road gear from the esteemed names of ARB, Old Man Emu, and Rigid Industries, the Trailhunter sets the standard for conquering the wild. But here's where the allure truly unfolds. With a wide array of third-party aftermarket accessories at your disposal, the Trailhunter becomes a blank canvas, ready to transform into the overlanding masterpiece of your wildest dreams. Your adventure, your rules, and your style. The Trailhunter is your portal to an extraordinary off-road odyssey. Anticipate the thrill of the 2024 Toyota Tacoma as it prepares to hit the market with a price range starting at an enticing $28,000 and ascending to the premium level of $50,000. Toyota is keeping the pricing details under wraps for the 2024 Tacoma lineup, but the suspense is building. Expect these details to be unveiled later this year, just in time for the fourth quarter launch. And for those seeking the pinnacle of adventure with the Trailhunter and TRD Pro trims, the anticipation grows even more intense. These top-tier models won't grace the dealerships until next spring, thanks to the delayed release of the hybrid powertrain, making the wait all the more worthwhile. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for continuous videos. Thank you for watching.